Subscribe to get smart and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Hi everyone, this video is about how you can pay your utility bills through your HBL debit card. And for this, you need to watch each step carefully, and do not skip any part. So, let's get started. First, you need to download the HBL mobile app from the Play Store, and then, open the HBL mobile app. Click on Register if you are doing it for the first time. Otherwise, enter user ID and password to log in. Either you can enable your fingerprint for logging in. After this, click on Payments. And your successful login will be notified through a message from 4250. And in payments categories, you can do following payments like broadband bill payments, corporate payments, utility bill payment, mobile post-pay bill payment and top-up, internet service providers, HBL credit card bill payment. Now, click on the electricity bill payment, and wait while it is processing your request. From the drop-down menu, select the company, and now, enter the consumer number, or the reference number which you will find at the top left corner of your electricity bill, or you can select the existing consumer number. If you have already paid the bill through this app, as in my case, click Next. And you will get the payments details like company, consumer number, billing month, due date, payable by and after due date and bill status. After confirming the payment details with your bill, select the account type from the drop-down menu, click Next. Enter comments if you want any, and then enter the transaction password, and hit Next. You will get the payment confirmation, which include your transaction result, account, company, consumer number, amount and host reference number. Click OK, and that is how you can pay your utility bills and other payment by the help of HBL mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.